Mr. Student. Today we are going to see centroid of a triangle and how to derive coordinates of centroid of a triangle with the help of section formula and midpoint formula. Let's first try to understand what is centroid. If you take any triangle, and midpoint of each side of a triangle and join them from their opposite vertex, if you join it, you can see that they will meet at a common point, and this common point we call centroid of a triangle. So if we have coordinates of vertices like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then we can find the centroid of a triangle. That will be your what? We will denote this one as G, and your coordinate will be x1 plus y1, x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So how are we going to do? So we know that distance formula will give the value of this point. So we can derive by your not the distance formula, we can use your midpoint formula. So using the midpoint formula we can find the coordinate of this one. So let's give a name, that is a D. If we'll give a name, then you can find the midpoint formula using what? x2 plus x3 by 2, comma y2 plus y3 by 2. This will be the coordinate for your D. Now you need to find the coordinate for G. You have this line segment, take your A and D here, and you have a point here G, and we know one more thing, that is what? G divides this one, what? Median. We call this one as a median. AD is a median. If we give a name BE, then BE is a median. If we give a CF, then CF is a median. That means centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That means this part will be your 2 and this part will be your 1. Now you need to apply the section formula, as we have M1 here and here we have M2, and we need to find this one. We have already x1. Now your value is x1, y1, and this side you are getting x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. So by section formula we have here m2 x1 plus m1 x2 by m1 plus m2. So how are we going to find? Now put here m2 value, that is your 2, into x1. x1 is what? This side, as we have taken, this is your m2, so we'll write here 1 into this is your x1, plus now this is your m2, m1. So check here m1 is what? 2 here, we are getting 2. So let's see, we'll check quite up so that we can see here. We cannot see here. Okay, let me write here. Take here the point, that is your x1, y1, and we are getting D here, x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, and G is here. We need to find this one. We have M value is M1 value as what? 2, and M2 value as 1. So this will be given by your formula. So we'll apply here, that is your, this part will be multiplied with this, and this one x1 will multiply with your 1, and plus this part will multiply with this, that is 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 by what? 2 plus 1. So we are getting here x1, 2 to cancel, plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Similarly we can find for your coordinate for y. I hope you people have understood. Thank you.